Hi, everybody. And today we are here to see a very important function in Excel. The function is called SUMIFS. And SUMIFS is a function which does sum on a conditional if. And this is one of the most powerful functions that Excel has. And what we are really talking about here is that if you have a particular table with a lot of different field values, you can do a conditional sum only on selected values as per your selection. So what we'll do is, without wasting any time, let's look at an example for the SUMIF function and how it works. So what I'm going to do here is I'm going to specify 3 columns and we will try to go with an example from the auto industry here. Let's say I have item name, item code, and cost, and let us go for items in a car, for example, the seat, the oil, and the dashboard. And just randomly repeat the same items here so that we do a conditional if for the sum of only, let's say, only the engines, or let's say only the wheels, you know, or just the cost of the different dashboards that we have. Or if it's a seat and engine, and just randomly putting a few items here and some random codes, 5-digit, 4-digit, 5-digit codes here. And just to specify, that we have different item IDs, trying to make this example simple and straightforward, but yet to understand the practical value of this function. And let us specify the cost. Let's say 550, pretty vaguely. And so the cost of the seats is 150 or 125. Dashboard 200. The wheels 400. The oil is 145 or 185. Seat is 125. And the wheels for 300. Dashboard again, $220. And with this table, we are set with our data. What we'll try to do is find out if we just need to know the cost of sum of all the engines, the cost of just the engines. How can we get that? So what we do here is we can specify, let's start with engine, for example, and then in this column, we give the SUMIFS and we specify the source of data. Then we specify the range of criteria, and then we specify where to pick up the input value from. And with this, we are set to get the response. Now, the important thing here is if I change engine to something else, for example, oil, it will pick up all the value for the oil and sum it up and show me the response. Same goes with wheel, for example, and it updates the value because I have specified J4 as the last value here. And let's take seat. So this is about it, how this function works. Pretty simple, yet pretty powerful. It takes 3 values. It takes the source column from where to compute the values. It takes the criteria column next, and then it takes the input field column number or the field number. And that's about it. The field number, the field name, or the value can change, and dynamically the totals change, and we get the appropriate response. So as you can see, this is a very simple yet powerful function, and I think it's a great addition to the function list in Excel. If you guys have any doubts or questions, you can always ping me on YouTube and I'll be glad to respond. So I think that's about it, what we have for today. And until next time, bye bye. See you.